Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Valorant Tracker private. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now in our Riot client, and from here all we have to remember is our client name and our username to log in with it. From here we're going to close it, and then we're going to go ahead and go to tracker.gg. Now from here all we have to do is click on the sign in button on the top right, and then from here we sign in with the normal email and address of your normal account, or you can sign in with your own username from your Valorant ID. Once that is done, you're going to click on Valorant for My Games, and then as you can see, it's going to show you my current profile. Now from here, all we have to do is go to the Valorant tab on the top left, as you can see right here. And once you click on it and you are signed in, you can see a button right here that says Make Private. So once you click on the Make Private button, it's going to say Disable access to your Valorant profile, and so from here you're going to click on Revoke Access. Once you do so, it's going to revoke all the access from your Valorant ID, and so your Valorant identification card won't be visible to anyone outside of the game, and so it will not be on the tracker.gg. And so from here you can sign in one last time, and from here it's going to be deactivated. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.